Hey guys, Sunday morning. Mike's doing some
breaking stuff.
Mike's cracking fiberglass, and that's flex resin fiberglass. You can hit the walls of Long Beach and it doesn't break.
Hit it with a wrench though,
and that thing will shatter. This was folded underneath itself and it came back. That's crazy. Okay, so still got to take out intercooler, oil cooler, the secondary catch can, maybe a pipe or two, intercooler piping, undo some of these HPS hose clamps and hoses. But hey, remember we just made one of these? Cool, let's cut it off. Cause we get to bend it back, cut it off probably, not bend it back, make another one. Cut off the frame rail a little bit. It almost made it out alive perfectly, but the intercooler got a little dent in it here, which makes me not want to use it anymore, kinda. I don't know. We'll take a look at it. And then the back we got done last night, so maybe we're just gonna take off. I might pull the front fenders off, I don't know yet. We just gotta get it close so that it's easy for Kenneth to work on it. We're bringing it over to Kenneth's right now, and then after that we'll bring it back here, not work on it tonight because we're gonna have like a partial day off, maybe. Partial. No, I said partial.
No days off.
Yeah, maybe we'll talk to Mike, see what's allowed or not allowed.
Look at me, I'm the captain now.
Yeah, yeah. So I guess we're not taking days off. Mike changed his plane ticket and he's staying till, I don't even know what day, but he changed it. So we're gonna use as much of Mike's help as we can to make this all happen. And in the midst of all this, we have to do our normal like maintenance and check compression, check everything. If something's not right, we gotta fix that. Why so much work? Why do we do this? So stripped it down. Fenders are off. We were looking for like wrinkles or anything weird. Nothing. And don't tell me this is a wrinkle, because if you own a Supra, you know that right there, that's stock. Oh, we need a cap. I'll get one. See what I mean by it's stock? This part's not good, but we're gonna go pull that. We have a lot of body panels everywhere. Things are happening all over. It's a blown out mess of a Supra. So we are almost ready to leave to go to, Daryl's calling me. J-Hall. See, now I'm not giving away any phone numbers.
Yeah, you had to give it your all and you did, and now you're fixing your car because you are the Superman.
Well, yeah, but whoa, we got 6 people in the truck. They're all big guys.
You know what big guys mean? Big socks. Big socks.
And we got a Supra behind it. Going to the frame shop with the Vikings.
I'm Irish.
Okay, so we're here at the frame shop. We're gonna unload the Supra. And then, you guys have met Kenneth before. Kenneth is gonna help pull the Supra as best he can. And he brought Zach. This is Zach.
That's me.
That's Zach. That's Kenneth.
Good camera.
Yeah. Kenneth's gonna make the Supra as great as it could ever be again. And then we'll cut the back off. So Kenneth is gonna grab onto the pinch seam in 4 spots and then pull really hard on the Supra. It's gonna get pulled. Pit it. Sad to see it, but we're gonna make it happen. Ooh, it's our buddy Ola Jaeger. He's worried about the Supra, so he's calling. Ola. Okay, Ola, thanks for calling. Good talking to you. You're the best. Okay, bye. Okay. Yeah?
What? I don't know. I don't know my Supras.
He just said Mark 3? Is that even? That's not nice. Mark 4.
Oh, I guess we don't have it on. Me either.
You have a Mark 3 but no Mark 4?
Well, you have to have one because you did the other car.
I did.
I'm nervous. Don't hit walls.
You're Dan.
Oh, that means anxiety, right?
What?
Dan means you're always stressed out. Kenneth is like a genius or something. Just
really slow now.
Really good at what he does. He has all this equipment and it's all lifted up.
Oh,
and then I think he drank alcohol last night, so he's
I'm sweating a lot right now.
He's just recovering right now. Give him a break though. He'll make, yeah. This car likes to go sideways, but he'll make it straight. He'll be fine. It's about to get crazy. I need a bigger camera to even capture him in the frame. No, that's only half of it.
Tighten the front mounts too. What? Tighten the clamps too on the frame rails. I already built that on. Alright. Remember Jeff's? How many times? Jeff's car was so messed up it came off the clamps 3 times. So scary.
This might do the same thing.
Yes. 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 Put on with it. The buckle. Put on with it. This one? Yeah. It's gonna spread. There's no way of saving that. I'm gonna rip it. I don't know.
That's all getting cut off.
That thing's gonna get pulled out though too. That's fucking weak.
Just go till it rips.
The other one it rips, it's gonna pop.
Weld it. I can weld it if you want.
You're gonna cut it off anyway, right?
Yeah. Oh, we're cutting the whole back. We left it to help you. We left that so it works good for what we're doing.
Fender well coming over.
It's working. We will make you great again.
It's working.
This
That is so Trump right there.
well, we run a Trump sticker on this, don't we?
Do you?
Well, I mean, we can if you want. We could run a Trump sticker if you want.
I wouldn't put that there. If it rips the weld and pops, it's gonna fuck the shit out of that.
We're going to vice grip this.
You don't have a clamp to hold up strut?
Yeah, just get like a vice grip.
Yeah.
And maybe put like a towel on the vice grip or something. That trunk is super heavy, huh? That's crazy how heavy that is, huh? Kenneth is freaking the man that he's making this happen. And it looks like it's coming back to life a little bit. Remember how messed up in here was? Yeah, it's pulling it a little bit and it's messed up, but good things are happening. Everything's moving back. It'll never be quite the same, but it'll be very close to the same. Oh, it's even like, it closed like some of the wrinkles in the back too. I'm starting to love you way more and more.
We're not done yet.
Okay. This is like a really serious moment, huh?
It's like watching a birth.
Yeah.
Like a giraffe birth, not like a human birth.
It's kind of like that Ace Ventura movie when the rhino gives birth.
Slightly aroused.
Wait, what's going on? Okay, so the pulling has been finished and the pounding and the hammering and everything. I didn't include you guys in all of it, but you got the point at the beginning when you saw it pulling over. It's not that it got better or worse, more exciting or less exciting, I just didn't film all of it, but look at how straight those are. Kenneth made it happen. So now we have things to patch up, things to cut off, and then places where it ripped the metal where we'll trim it and then weld it back together. This part we gotta hammer in a little bit, weld it back together, but it's all gonna still be legal. That's a good sign, and it doesn't look too bad. The subframe was out a little bit, but he got it within 1 millimeter of where it's supposed to be without loosening any of the bolts, so that's also a good sign. We're very thankful that Kenneth knows how to do all this and was able to help us basically the next day, because Kenneth's amazing. Thank you, Kenneth. So this is the story of how we straightened it. We're gonna take it back to the shop. It's Sunday, day after Formula D, so I'm not gonna cut it and start building exactly today, but we got this part accomplished. So now we have all of next week with Mike will be here still. Mike's staying for a week, so me and Mike will do as much as we can on the rear end and the front end to get it back to life so that we can make it to Florida. And I guess Florida's in 3 weeks, but we have to leave in about 2 weeks or a little less, so we had to make this happen right away. All right, guys, that's it. Talk to you soon. We're getting drunk today. Starting with a Red Bull, working our way down to Perrier line.
God, you're an animal.
I got depressed because we wrecked the Supra, so I'm just binging on all these.
You can't stack. Those are uppers and downers.
Wait, this is a down. Water's a down.
Water's a down. It's not an upper.
Hey, look, it's almost a Supra again.
It looks pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm excited to go drifting in Florida.
I can't see you. You're a shadow.
Light, get out of my. Quit being so bright. So we're excited to go drifting in Florida. Now we got a lot of metal work to do. We can do it. We got Mike Perez here. We got, yeah, Mike Perez here.
I was super hype. I thought you were gonna go like full ESPN.
Crazy, yeah, but then it just shut down. So we were done. That's all we had. All right, guys. See you later.